Hello guys, welcome back to that video. Today we are unboxing setup and demoing the man's best friend Sweet Halloween 2018. Yeah, I hope that's the year. I got this last year, so 2024. So they got this. So I have used him before. He's a cool one, I do like him. Let's take all the parts out though. Now there's one part I can tell I never actually finished up disassembled because it's like actually kind of you can. Alright, I try to get that apart. It's not coming apart, so I'll tell you where that part is in the setup. Yes, you got the base. Ow! Landed on my leg. You got part of the roof. Now, this is one of the hardest animatronic setups I own, actually. And there's a couple things I'm gonna you'll see that I actually did not fully take apart. Just need to stand charm easier. Those are parts to the sides. Here's the front. The other roof piece. Here's the flimsy back, made out of straight up cardboard. And then the fog machine attachment. Baggie of screws, control box, and adapter. One part I do recommend for this hand is a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna grab that real quick, and then we'll get to a setup. Oh yeah, you also have your instructions. Alright, so I got a flathead screwdriver. I kind of want a bigger one. Anyways, the first step, the head's not supposed to be attached. Take the mechanism and snap lock it. Oh wait, my bad. The base has to be set up like this. I already attempted to do this backwards. Take it. Sorry. Take it and snap lock it in. Now take the control box and Velcro the control box to there. Now go ahead and attach the light wire and the motor wire into the control box real quick. While I was unboxing that, putting those wires in, I realized that actually I'm missing the part. It's the fog hose, so I'll try to make something work. But something you could do now, and I'll do it now, because it's actually really hard to show animatronic later. Take the fog activation cord, if you're using a fog machine, on the control box. The on and off switch is for the fog machine. Turn that off if you're not using the fog. Turn it on if you are. And plug that in. And then you can plug in your adapter to the control box. So plug in here. On the sensor. Off is nothing. Step pad. And then your IR sensor you plug in later. You can go ahead and plug in the speaker now. And then build the doghouse. This is so fun. So you start with. I actually do not know what you start with. I think it's start with the front. and put the front over the dog. And yeah, you start at the front. Before you do anything, attach the IO sensor to the control box. Just like that. And like I said, make sure your control box is all set because you really can't do anything. Now take your parts bag full of all the screws. You got 2 of the red screws. And then when you have the red screws, screw through the holes and screw them in there. It's just a little twist to lock. Use a fine screwdriver for this. I think this one might actually come with a screwdriver, not mistaken. It might be wrong though. Now do the same thing for the back, which is this full cardboard one. Alright, that took a little bit. Here's attach the sides to it. So attach the sides. Come on, pause. Okay, I already went ahead and did part of this step. The next step is attaching these little clip things on. 2 screws on the flat side. And then this side has 2 little notches, goes in the front and that one for the back. Now attach the tops of the front and tops of the back to this side with the red ones. And then attach it to the other side. Just like how you did this one. And make sure the back's on. I just realized I never did that. Okay, when you're done with that, you should have 2 red screws left over. Now, dig vacuum formed bottom pieces. And the ones closest to the corner will go on top. It does kind of hang off. It's meant to do that. And then take the black screws, 2 on top, 2 bottom, and then do that. And then do the same thing on the other side. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so yeah, 4 on that side, 4 on that side. That's the build. The doors, make sure out. The dog's popped out. I think the dog starts halfway out, remember. And make sure it's all out though. And creepy crawls on the outside of the doors. It's pretty important. And now, without fog, let's plug it in. I'll do one quick demo without the fog. And then I will plug the fog in and I'll do it. Okay, here goes. The sunshine is kind of scary on. Kind of got me, to be honest. Oh, I need to tuck that wire back in. Ew. That wire is sticking out. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I've kind of played the doors. And do it again. Like that, we got stuck somehow. Let's see what happened. The door wedged itself. See it? See if it works that time. Huh. He's like wedging itself. It's not a good thing. Straight. Hey. I don't know. He really wants to wedge himself into the door. I never had that issue with him. Here. I'll cut the camera and see if I can figure this out. Alright. I don't know what that was. Knock on wood, actually it's working pretty good now. There you go. That's better. Okay. Now, take your fog machine. I already have it plugged in. What? My phone's up out of set. Anyways. Go on. And you have a hose normally. I'm actually gonna put mine I might stay in there for now because I don't know where my hose is. Let's try it. Yeah, it takes a couple activations for the fog machine to do something. I actually tend to have this thing on the timer when I do it. Because it melts thing. The actual fog feature doesn't work for it. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and check us out and say. Oh, sorry, I'll do a quick review. So, I love the Scantron. Paint and butt setup, as you've seen. That's awesome. 120 is a good price, but that's what it is now. I recommend it. Cool animation. Cool, looks cool. Anyways, yeah, sorry I kind of rushed. My phone's about to die. Thanks for watching. Bye.